In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of Copilot in just 5 minutes. Whether you find Copilot distracting, or maybe it's just not your cup of tea, I'm here to guide you through this quick and easy process step by step. Let's jump right in and get started. To kick things off, you'll want to locate a vacant spot on your taskbar. Once you've found it, go right ahead and give that empty space a right-click. This action will bring up a context menu with several options, setting you on the path to tackling Copilot. Next, look for the option labeled Task Manager in the menu that appears. Go ahead and select it. Task Manager is like a control center for managing applications and processes running on your computer, and it's your go-to tool for navigating and controlling what starts up with your system. After opening Task Manager, you'll find yourself looking at several tabs at the top. Here, you're going to focus on the one that says Startup Apps. Click on this tab to reveal a list of applications that are set to automatically start whenever you boot up your computer. This list controls the startup behavior, and by managing these, you can improve your computer's boot up time and reduce resource usage. Now, the hunt is on for Copilot. Carefully scan the list for the Copilot application. Usually, startup applications are listed alphabetically, which should help you find it a little more easily. If you're having trouble seeing it at first glance, take your time scrolling through the list to ensure you don't overlook it. Once you've successfully spotted Copilot in the list, the next step is straightforward. Click on the application to select it. When you select it, you should notice that some additional options, like Disable, become available. Here's where the magic happens. Go ahead and click Disable. What this does is prevent Copilot from automatically launching the next time you start your computer. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled Copilot from booting up with your system. It's a simple yet effective way to manage unwanted startup applications and keep your computer running smoothly. Remember, if you ever decide you want Copilot to run again automatically, you can always return to the same list within Task Manager and choose Enable. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you did, consider subscribing and stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.